Hi, this is Cherie with Rehash Fiber. If you like sheep and wool, I've got a couple really cool things to share with you today. Welcome everybody. I have things that will be very fun for the sheep and wool lover. It is not fiber art today, it is other things. Let me start. My neighbor went on vacation and said she saw this book and thought of me, and she brought it to me. The book is called Vanishing Fleece, Adventures in American Wool by Clara Parks. I had seen this book, but I had not purchased it yet because my reading material stack is quite large. However, once it was in my possession, it went to the top of the list. I started reading it and immediately was intrigued. Of course, it is about the hobby that is so dear to me, but I was learning new stuff on every page that I had no idea about. The author of the book, Clara Parks, has the wonderful writing gift of bringing every scene and person to life with the essence of the way she describes what is going on. It was fantastic. In the story, you see how she acquires a 600-pound bale of wool, and you go on the journey with Clara and the wool for a year on all the processes that it goes through. Very enlightening, very interesting, very good, and sometimes very shocking. It is worth the read, very fun, will not take long. I was touched all the way throughout the book, even to the very last sentence. So I'll read it all the way through. Very worthwhile for the sheep lover. The same neighbor, when she brought me the book, brought me beautiful Polish embossed cookies. I'd never had them before. Pretty butter cookies with a lovely paisley print throughout. You've heard me talk in the past couple of episodes about the regular things in life, but when you do little things to make them extra special, it just makes life so much more fun. Well, here, some simple butter cookies ended up being these beautiful things that then intrigued me, and I wanted to learn how to make myself. So she got the embossed rolling pin from pastrymade.com. I went there and checked it out. They have such a huge selection. Look what I found. Sheep embossed rolling pin. You know I had to have it. I'm like, oh, my fiber friends are gonna love this. So yes, as soon as it came, I was making sheep cookies and then taking them to the fiber events that I go to. Super fun. Had to share that with you. If you like baking or are curious at all, they have a wide selection of all kinds of things that would interest you or anybody you would think to get one for. Very worth checking out and a whole lot of fun. So that's it for today. I just wanted to show you those two really fun things for the sheep and wool lover. And everybody, if you're enjoying the show, I want to invite you to join Patreon and contribute to the show, keep everything going. You can find information for that on my website, rehashfiber.com. You can also get merchandise, Globe of Yarn. Fiber happens all over the world and it transcends time. So that is what the Globe of Yarn is all about. Purchase merchandise there, anything you want, from hats to mugs to shirts. It helps with the show. All right, everybody, happy reading and making sheep cookies. Thanks for watching.